everybody. Today I'm pouring on this 10-inch MDF. I used to have a shop teacher at one of the local high schools cut for me, and he did these beveled edges, which I always thought were so cool. So I was digging through stuff and I found one. I thought I'd used them all because these were from a couple years ago. But I found one and I'm excited to pour on it. It's been a long time. So this is my base coat, which is Dutch Boy house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. And I mix a pretty thin consistency. And I'm just tilting it to get it all over the board. And today I am doing a plastic wrap pour, but I'm using, instead of the plastic wrap that comes with the canvases, which is all I've tried so far, I'm using like cling wrap, like actual plastic wrap that you would buy at the store, to see how that works, because it's a little more sticky, so to speak. Let me work all the bubbles out of here. And I've got Grumbacher Prussian Blue to start with. And then I'm just going to use the same pipette for, I've got mica powder mixed with some kind of blue and iridescent medium. So it's really shimmery. I'm not sure what shade of blue I mixed it with, but we got shimmers. It's a beautiful sunny day today, finally. Now I'm doing Arteza Indian Yellow. I took the dog on a walk. It was beautiful. I have to work later today, but that's all right. I got half a day to experience the nice weather. And now I've got God, I was going to do pink, but I am not sure. I was going to do this shade of pink. But now I don't know if that really goes with what's going on in here. So I think I'm going to change my mind and use this a teal mica powder mixed with iridescent medium. And this one does not have any paint in it, so I don't know how that will react. And now for the white, which has silicone in it. It's about 3 drops of silicone to 2 ounces of white, approximately. Squiggle it around on there. plastic wrap on. Ah, it's sticking to everything. Beautiful. Find my straw. And those edges will continue to bleed out as it dries. I'm so glad I didn't go with the pink. I think pink would have, whoops, I had it. There we go. I think pink would have thrown the whole thing off because these colors are great together. And I'm really curious as to what that teal will look like dry, just being mica powder mixed with the iridescent medium. I'm real curious about that. So let's swing you around. So pretty, springy, very spring-like. It's perfect for the day of sun and 70s we're having today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all your views and comments. I love reading them. And I will, of course, catch you next time. Bye.